Daddy's home. What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a daily recap for today, the last day of the month, July 31st, Thursday. I hope everyone closed out the month green and did well this month. If not, August is a new month, and let's kill it. So today was very interesting. Remelted all day long. Now let me just clean up my charts a bit, just to make this shit cleaner. I don't know why this isn't clearing. There we go. Okay. So coming into today, I'm not going to lie. I was like, okay, maybe I want to retrace, take out Asia lows because they were pretty clean, and then like maybe all-time highs again because we are a higher time frame, like we've just been making all-time highs, but we didn't. We absolutely shit the bed. I don't even know what kind of words I have for this. We literally just dumped 500 plus points. Pretty crazy trading day. I hope someone was able. I did trade well, and I did make like 7K. But it was not a good trading day for me. I didn't really trade that well, to be quite honest. But whatever. Okay, so off open, we dump. I'm looking for a retrace. You know, it's kind of hard for me to figure out, like, where am I looking for the retrace. We came here, tapped equilibrium, basically a little shy of it, showing weakness. We rejected off the top of new day opening gap perfectly. And then I'm like, okay, we have this 5-minute, very small. I was monitoring this. Okay, we get the close underneath. Just a simple continuation play, right? That's it, boom. That's it. And I was targeting equilibrium actually. So it was perfect. 1.5R. Left a runner. New week opening gap. That's it. There was a million trades I feel like you could have taken. Like, all you really had to do today was click the sell button, and you were profitable if you didn't have a tight-ass stop. Like, so many opportunities. Like, right in here, bang lower. Right in here, bang lower. Right in here, bang lower. Right? You just like, right in here, bang lower. Here, lower. Here, lower. Here, lower. As long as you had proper risk management today and just waited for some sort of continuation setup, like a fair value gap continuation, you made money. So I hope everyone did. I kind of screwed myself over with the consistency. But it is what it is. Can't complain about making money. I also did mess up. I was on evals, and what did I do? I fumbled this. So what I did is I just smacked 5 minis, and I was like, okay, whatever, it is what it is. Like, it's either going to stop me out or hit my take profit. And it was this trade exactly right here. I entered like right here. Basically, my stop was like right here, like because of like liquidation, and my take profit was like, I was honestly just targeting like here, and like here, just like whatever in here to get me my money to pass the evals. As you see, we retrace, and I got wicked out by like literally 2 points and ran literally right to my take profit. So this is why it's important, everybody, to be super precise with your trading and, you know, always calculate your risk, because the difference between one mini, the difference between me taking 4 mini short and 5 mini short was the difference between having to buy new evals and start fresh, and now the difference of being on 5 funded accounts, right? So keep this in mind whenever you're thinking about forcing something or you're just trying to be like, fuck it. Whenever you say fuck it in trading, I promise you, 95% of the time, it does not work out, okay? And this is something that I'm just telling you from experience. Like, the amount of times I'm just like, fuck it, like, whatever. No, don't. Stop doing it. I promise you, it doesn't work. It does not fucking work. Okay? So now, here's another good trade. Bang, new week opening gap. We have Fibonacci's aligning perfectly with sell side. Yes, it was already taken out, but in my opinion, we still had 298, which was a draw. The ranges were fat today. We had low, low, and low, right? So once we're just dumping and dumping, then it's like, okay, we want lower. Look at this. Right in here, this shows a willingness to want to go lower. This is a sign of weakness. We were displacing here. Then what? We're slowing down. We're slowing down. We're slowing down. We retrace right into golden pocket, optimal trade entry spot to the frickin' tick. Perfectly. Scale down. Look for something. We have an inversion. Look at this. We have a liquidity sweep and the inversion on the same damn fucking candle. Sorry if I'm not allowed to say that word on here. Look at this. If that ain't manipulation, I don't know what to tell you, and I don't know what is. Okay? At this point in time, I was at the gym. I didn't see this. But listen to me. If you see this setup with a frickin' 10-point stop, okay? Look at these liquidity voids right here. Fucking perfect. Sorry, I keep cursing. Amazing target, right? You could have held to 0. Right? You could have held 200 points for a 20-yard trade. Right? Fire setup right here. Everyone's probably off the charts, though. That's the problem. But I don't know. As of recently, I've been seeing that price action, if it's shit in the morning, does kind of clean up a bit in lunch and PM, if you know what you're doing. But yeah, I mean, non-farm payroll tomorrow. I mean, we kind of just left low resistance liquidity and we swept out a lot of sell side. So it's just like highs, 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 all the way up until all-time highs. So maybe they just launch a bullet tomorrow. Like, I don't even know. But to be completely honest, I said yesterday that I was expecting prices to make higher prices and make new all-time highs, but I was wrong. I mean, this is the point. You have to have a loose bias in trading. You can't marry your bias because look what happened. I married my bias. I would have lost, but I didn't. And as a result, I don't know if you could see it. Standard qualified too. Boom. Okay? That's why you don't marry your bias. I don't know where market wants to go. To be honest, we probably want to rebalance higher after this dump. Like, I don't even know. This is just a crazy flush, so probably a little rebalance. I got to clean up my charts a bit, you know. It's just a little sloppy. Yeah, I just wanted to go over what I did today, where I messed up, where I did well, and hope you all were safe today. Hope you all made some money. Tomorrow's Friday, non-farm payroll, so ranges are probably going to be wide. Obviously, don't trade before NFP unless you're straight up gambling. Also, I would say size down. Size down. Tomorrow's a Friday. First day of the month. You don't want to start off the weekend and the first day of the month with a fat red day or, you know, a losing day. So if anything, don't trade if it's not super high probability. Back-to-back days now, we had a lot of movement in price. So it's like, I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of did nothing. But at the same time, we could flush out low, you know. But that's what I'm saying. You have to be optimistic. We did move a lot, so we will see. Today was crazy day. This week has been crazy too with all the news and earnings. So tomorrow should definitely be a better week, as in more controllable. So just keep that in mind going into tomorrow. But hope you all had a good day. Also, I don't know what you guys are doing, but in the last month plus me live trading, I've taken 3 losing trades, okay? I'm calling out everything live. I'm not clicking the button in front of you, but I'm basically telling you exactly what I'm looking for and what I like, and like, oh, this looks great. Like, it's basically pretty obvious, okay? If you know what you're doing and you know what you're looking for, you're gonna make money and you're gonna be able to tell. But at the same time, it's like I don't want to promote signal botting. I want to promote like people learning and education. That being said, the last month or ever since I've been live trading, I've literally had like 3 losses. So I don't know what you guys are doing. It's $100 a month. You even get a free trial for 7 days. So you can make your money in a trial, right? If you just copy what I'm doing basically and make your money, then you make thousands of dollars and you have months on months on months of essentially free live trading with me where you're making money. I mean, I don't know what you guys are missing out on, but that being said, I hope to see you all there tomorrow. If you guys like these videos, just give me a thumbs up or just leave a comment what else you want me to do, because I genuinely don't know what else you want me to add in these types of videos. So just let me know and I'll try and incorporate them, or any other video ideas, content ideas, let me know and start doing those too. But catch you guys tomorrow in live trading. Peace out.